Okay, this is going to be a basic walkthrough of the TBoss web application. Hopefully you have already signed up. Once you have, you go ahead and log in. So you'll notice here we can do a new quote, invoice, open quotes, invoices. We have our workflow, including a calendar, which appointments are automatically added to the calendar as orders are created. You can see we have our customers. Customers are in a row format here. Once you click the open button, you have more details in which you can also add images. And when you have an image, you can add comments, color, types. Basically whatever specification you want can be declared there. Next we have our catalog. Our catalog manager basically tells us which catalogs are active and imported. On the demo, of course, there's only imprints available. Our catalog master basically gives us a rundown of all the products that we have in our shop. And if you wanted to do a quick search on say 5180, you could do that. You could also do a simple search on Hanes, and searches by comma separated values will return your results. So after that we have our markup. That's just the standard markups that you can create according to whatever decoration you are doing. We have our configuration grids, multiple configuration grids for screen printing, embroidery, heat presses, etc. 1 color, 2 color, 3 color. As many grids as you like. We have our detail grid, which you will notice later corresponds to the specific details of each product. And you will notice that these are all dynamic and can be changed. Here's your company details, your company logo, tax, and as many users as you want. Then we have some reports, some simple reports in terms of customer totals and our monthly grand. Now that you've seen the basic navigation of the TBoss application, let's start by creating a new quote. So you'll notice that the progress bar goes by down on the bottom. We will choose the heat guy. We're going to do a print according to the sunset JPEG. We can click on that and view it. We have our details here, and we are going to add from Sanmar, let's do our 5180 neutral 144, and now you will notice that we have our sizes here: 72 large, 72 extra large. We can add the color. Say they're doing 144 light blue, even though it's neutral. Anyways, location, front. And when we add our configuration, we will say it's going to be a screen print with a configuration of a 6 color, quantity of 144. That will look up our grid pricing at $13 each. Our workflow, which is also dynamically generated by you. We will say our goods are received. Bam, that's all there. And this right here is a difficulty slider. Right now it's set at 0. Say you feel the job's going to be a little more difficult than usual, you can crank it up to 5, which is going to multiply each one of these piece values by 5%. You'll notice that this piece value has now gone to 208. If we turn it down, it goes back to 198. So you can adjust the difficulty settings as you feel necessary. We go ahead and click the Save button up here. The entire application is run off of these tools at the top, and if we click print, we can click the bundle button, which is going to generate our basic quote. It's going to show us our details and then the image of what we are going to produce. That's the basic walkthrough of creating a quick quote. Say the customer decides to order the actual product, we can just simply click on convert to invoice, which you'll notice here says invoice 1009 has been created. You can see that right here. And another feature of TBoss we've added recently is our inventory. So you'll notice we can simply add inventory as it comes in here with our purchase order, and you'll notice our sold inventory and our purchase inventory being split up here with the remaining balance of what we have in the shop. So, for example, 12 KP44s to the heat guy, showing a piece price, a unit price, the total, and the difference. That is what you have made off of that product. So that's the basic walkthrough of TBoss. I think we'll stop now and continue later.